Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to fix the Discord installation has failed. So first, make sure that Discord isn't open on your background. So as you can see, I have the Discord logo is not here. You could also check in Task Manager by clicking Control, Shift, and Escape. And as you can see, there is no Discord that is currently running in the background. Once you're done with that, go to the menu, Windows menu, and search for %app data, just like so. And if you see this file folder here, just click on that and make sure that Discord is deleted here so that installations will have no problem. So after that, you can just open Chrome here, open a new tab, and search for Discord. Once you're done, the first link, or the second link rather, the download button here, click on that, and click on download for Windows right here. So once you've downloaded it, you need to install and go to the menu again. Go to the menu, search for Discord, and make sure the Discord exe file. Okay, you could right click on it and run it as administrator. If it still doesn't work, you need to update your drivers. You could update your drivers by going here, right click on that, and go to device manager here. And once you're there, oh shit, let's just scale this a little. So there, go to disk drives here and right click on it and go update the driver if it's still not working. And that's all, guys. If nothing worked for you, you could go contact the Discord support team and wait for them to respond to your problems and issues. So if you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.